Hey guys, today we are finally cutting this wall.
Sarah's been on me to cut out the wall for the windows for a long time.
Like
probably close to
since you've been-
Well, yeah, but I mean, legitimately, like the last 2 months.
Yeah.
And frankly, thinking that it's a huge job in my head, I've just put it off and put it off. And right now, the tractor's broken down, so I don't have a good excuse of something else that I need to work on.
I'm so excited.
So the time has come.
And we're gonna cut hopefully 3 windows just above these 3 that are here. We're gonna cut into the wall right now to make sure that there aren't any beams or anything in the way.
So this first hole we're cutting is just kind of an exploratory hole to see what's on the other side of this wall, if windows are even going to be possible.
I'm so mad.
I got Mama. Did I scare you guys?
No.
Is that a beam?
It probably is the header for these windows.
That's so much thicker than I thought it would be.
It just means we have to go above the window.
Oh.
I didn't think about that, but that was obvious that there woulda, shoulda, could have been that.
Mommy, how did you choose a hug?
Oh, thanks. That makes me feel better.
Mommy, now turn us the other way.
No, I'm not sad, Betty. Lincoln is our little sweetheart. He does not like for anyone to be sad. Man, that is the worst. We might have to rethink these windows.
Hallelujah.
No. I don't mean not doing them. That's a super big bummer.
This is the worst day ever, right?
What'd you say? Oh, it's the worst day ever. This is kind of the worst day ever. Let me think about it. I'll think of something. We have a beam going up and a beam going across. So that window can't be the same size as the bottom window, but I'm going to try to figure out how we can still make this look good. So it took a lot of work to convince Travis. I ended up making a bunch of drawings. The first option was this one here with the 3 windows on the bottom, and then 2 quarter round windows on the top with the 1 center rectangle window. So we started with that, and then we changed it to a Palladian window on top with the arched one in the center, and then the 2 rectangular ones on the sides, and then the 3 on the bottom. And then we decided to see what it would look like with just 1 window on top. And these drawings in the middle here are just some trim that I was seeing how it would look. Then we finally ended on this one with 3 rectangles and the middle one being a little bit bigger. We went with this one for a more modern look with the rectangles instead of the round. And this is what we decided to go with.
Well, we made our header the other night,
What's this?
and now trying to cut some of these 2x4s out of here and put that header in. But what I'm going to do is when I start cutting some of these 2x4s out, right where the window's going to go, I'm going to leave those 2x4s, and I'm going to cut those at whatever, like 11.5 inches, whatever my header is here. And that way when I lift my header up, it's supported. And then when I put in my side supports, I can make them just a hair big and hit them with a hammer to try and get some good strength in my header, some good weight lifting in my header.
Move it and the light goes off. Move this when the light is off. And see.
Okay, I want you guys to stay far, far back in case I drop this.
Daddy, you ever have my lightsaber? For sure.